Trading Sophie, just doing a Euro US dollar spot update. We've maintained for quite some time now that there's been no reason to be short the euro. In fact, last week was a bullish close on the week, and we've taken out the high. We've moved above this yearly level here at 1.1875. That initially provided some resistance, as you can see. So the next target for us this week is this 120 to 123 zone up there. Support, if you're looking to get on board at the moment, you'd be looking to get on board a pullback to 1.189, or even the weekly support there at 1.1867. It does appear to be going higher. If I look at the composition of the uptrend down here, at the moment we can see that the weekly up counts 4 and the daily up counts 3. So there's quite a strong trend in place there, especially when you look at the downtrends underneath here, and you can see that there's no daily or weekly trend. So full steam ahead for the euro at the moment, and yeah, that 1.189 area is the buy zone for today if you're trading intraday. Longer term, if I now remove this pivot study and we add on some of our at a time rotation study on, and the first thing that stands out when I do that, each of these colors refers to a different time frame. So green's daily, yellow's weekly, monthly's pink, quarterlies brown, semi-annuals blue, and yellow. If you ever see orange, it's annual. So this is a bullish development here this week. We now have rising weekly closing support, and that's projecting this market forward. So 1.1763 is a focus zone if the euro were to come back and have a deep test of support. That is a bullish development. From the sell side, we still have no creation of resistance at the weekly time frame. So if I put in our qualified resistance levels just here, okay, so there's the two qualified resistance levels there down there at 1.08. Now the thing is that they haven't moved above price yet. So when we see those yellow lines move all the way up above price, then we'll have a reason to sell. But at the moment, that's not happening. And indeed, we're getting the opposite. We're actually getting a support line moving higher, which is quite a strong signal. So the euro trend is alive and well. Don't forget, however, that we are just retesting the downtrend line from the long term. So this whole move up here is just a reaction in the downtrend. So you can expect a fairly, will be an excellent place up here to get very short the euro with low risk around this 127, 129 zone. And after that, you can probably expect to see new lows on the euro back under the big figure one. So some big moves ahead in currencies, and for now, it's onwards and upwards in the euro. Hope that helps.